You've probably heard about black seed oil, but did you know it has some surprising benefits that most doctors won't mention? Hey everyone, it's Miss Calm, and today we're diving deep into a natural remedy that's been used for thousands of years, from ancient Egypt to traditional Ayurvedic medicine. It's pressed from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant and packed with a compound called thymoquinone. That's where the magic really happens. We're going to explore some unexpected benefits: hair, skin, breathing, metabolism, immunity, and even mental clarity. The research is emerging, promising but not yet mainstream. Stick around, this is the cutting edge. Let's start with something many of us worry about: our hair. Whether it's thinning, slow growth, or lack of luster, it's frustrating, and many products underdeliver. Black seed oil brings compelling science to the table. The key player is thymoquinone, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Inflammation at the scalp damages follicles. By reducing inflammation, the oil creates a healthier environment for growth. It's also rich in essential fatty acids, amino acids, and vitamins that nourish the shaft and follicle. That nutrition strengthens strands, reducing breakage, so hair looks thicker even without adding new follicles. A 2017 study on a topical black seed oil formula found reduced hair fallout and improved density in telogen effluvium cases. Use it mixed with a carrier oil, coconut or olive, massage into the scalp, leave 30-60 minutes, then wash out. Consistency matters. Users report less shedding and even baby hairs along the hairline after regular use. Try a couple times a week and track progress. Hair improvement is gradual, not instant. Now let's talk weight management, a complex journey involving diet, exercise, hormones, and genetics. Black seed oil isn't a magic pill, but emerging research suggests it can be a helpful ally. It works on multiple fronts, influencing metabolism and helping stabilize blood sugar, which controls cravings. Stable glucose reduces energy crashes and reduces calorie binges. That indirect effect matters. A 2018 meta-analysis of 11 studies found supplementation reduced body weight, BMI, and waist circumference over time. Its anti-inflammatory effects help break the cycle where fat tissue produces inflammation that impedes weight loss. Used as a supportive supplement alongside diet and exercise, people report fewer cravings and steadier energy. It's a tool in the toolbox, not a replacement for healthy habits. By supporting metabolic pathways and reducing inflammation, it helps create a more favorable environment for weight loss. Consider it for long-term support, taken consistently as part of a broader plan. Let's move to the body's largest organ: skin, acne, eczema, dullness. We spend a fortune on products. Black seed oil offers a powerful natural alternative working from the inside out and the outside in. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties tackle acne by reducing bacteria and calming inflammation. Applied topically, some users see faster healing and less scarring. For eczema and psoriasis, its fatty acids help repair the skin barrier and lock in moisture. A 2013 study found topical black seed oil as effective as betamethasone for hand eczema, without long-term steroid side effects. You can add a few drops to moisturizer, use as a spot treatment, or take it internally to fight systemic inflammation. Results often include clearer, more hydrated, even-toned, and radiant skin. It's about calming the skin, not just suppressing symptoms, a gentler pathway to healthy skin. As always, patch test first and consult a provider if you have serious skin conditions. This next benefit truly surprised me when I first looked at the research: respiratory health. For people with asthma or seasonal allergies, black seed oil shows promise as complementary therapy. Thymoquinone has bronchodilatory effects. It can relax airway muscles and reduce hyperreactivity. It also appears to stabilize mast cells, reducing the histamine storms that cause sneezing, itching, and congestion. Clinical trials, including a study in phytotherapy research, showed reduced allergic rhinitis symptoms versus placebo. Patients reported less congestion, sneezing, and itching, a meaningful day-to-day change. These are promising results, but the science is still emerging and not yet in clinical guidelines. If you're seeking supportive care, this could be a helpful piece of the wellness puzzle, discussed with your provider. Blood sugar regulation affects energy, mood, and long-term health, not just people with diabetes. Spikes cause cravings, fatigue, and brain fog. Black seed oil can help smooth that roller coaster. It may improve insulin sensitivity, helping cells respond better to insulin's signal. Some studies suggest it reduces intestinal glucose absorption, blunting post-meal spikes. A 2017 meta-analysis found significant reductions in fasting glucose, post-meal glucose, and HbA1c with supplementation. It's especially interesting for people with prediabetes looking to prevent progression. Incorporated alongside diet, exercise, and sleep, it supports the systems that govern metabolic health. Users report fewer cravings, steadier energy, and better focus after consistent use. It's not a replacement for medication when required, but a powerful complementary strategy for many. Talk to your clinician before adding it if you're on glucose-lowering meds. We're more conscious than ever about immune health. Black seed oil is often overlooked as an immune modulator. It doesn't just boost immunity, it helps balance it, ramping up helpful cells while calming chronic inflammation. Thymoquinone is an antioxidant and immunomodulator that supports NK cells and T cells while reducing oxidative stress. Studies show improved immune cell activity and anecdotal fewer colds. Not a magic shield, but a strong tool. Think of it as a protective layer that helps your internal defenses stay ready, not in overdrive. Finally, mental clarity. Many of us battle brain fog, poor focus, and memory lapses. Crimo. Thymoquinone can cross the blood-brain barrier and provides antioxidant, anti-inflammatory protection to neurons. Reducing neuroinflammation and oxidative stress helps neurons communicate more efficiently, clearing fog and sharpening focus. Early studies suggest boosts in neurotransmitters like acetylcholine. Human research is limited, but user reports are positive. People describe feeling more on, better concentration, less fatigue, and easier problem solving. Supporting the brain with antioxidants and anti-inflammatories can improve cognitive performance. Black seed oil looks promising in that role. To recap, we covered hair growth, weight support, clearer skin, respiratory relief, blood sugar stabilization, immune balance, and sharper cognition. Natural doesn't mean risk-free. Talk with your doctor before starting black seed oil, especially if you have conditions or take meds. Have you tried black seed oil? Drop your experience or questions in the comments. I'll read and respond. If you found this surprising, subscribe and hit the bell for more trending health facts. Thanks for watching. See you next time.